version of this little beastie. This one. Well, I don't. Is that the same one? I don't think it's the same one.
You grabbed the wrong one.
I think I grabbed the wrong one. Yeah.
Boys are going to town over here.
Here.
Using the chuck method.
Chuck method works. You want to use that? Other way. You're putting yourself. Go up.
Oh, I
There. And then hold it. Someone hold the trans so it doesn't go flying. Go. There it is.
Let's just do the other two while we're at it, doing that whole.
Yeah, crack them
Right.
all loose. Yeah. What are you doing? Plunging a toilet over there?
Now I'm looking for the
Thrust?
counterpart to that piece.
The thrust chingaderas?
Yeah. It's not in there.
I don't remember having one.
It did.
You did? Well, maybe you have soap in it.
That is it. This is the transmission. The only thing it's missing is the.
So gross in there.
Huh? That's not it.
You sure we have one?
Yep.
Did you put that in the...
Positively.
Okay.
Right in here.
There it is, probably.
Not it?
No, that's not it. That's a different one because there's more than one. It's not in there either. I don't know where it is. It had one.
It's fine.
Let's put that back. Ooh, super slimy.
Ooh, yucky.
That looks nasty. Yeah, that's fine. If you recall, was there a spring in there? If you recall, when we did this on the other one, it kind of fell apart. This one's not falling apart.
I have to save that.
Probably rusted in.
It could be. There we go.
Got it to pop.
I got it to move. Okay, Senor Sludge.
Oh.
There we go. I got
No, there's that spring.
There we go.
There it is.
There. Oh, it looks nasty in there.
Is it?
It is nasty in there. Yeah, it's gross. It's pretty gross too. Throw that in there. Put this out. Okay, let's get to this band here.
Look at all the yummy stuff that comes out when you move that.
Yeah, well,
Mmm.
tasty. It's pretty nasty looking. What we're doing right now, I'm trying to get the band out. But it's got to get past this point.
You spun it last
The
week.
yellow came out.
It came out right through here after lots of manipulation.
There you go.
No, it's I can only get one though. Maybe that's the trick.
There it is. And then pinch the other side.
I got to get it out further though.
Oh, steps. Okay. All right.
Oh, oh.
No, you see I'm still off by about 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah.
Let's get
Whoa.
You have to squeeze them together or something?
You were like, Jack, you would have had a project.
No,
I would have. You buy new ones and
and
I
then
have
the
a
top
plan.
one will go through.
Yeah.
but the
Oh, you know
bottom
what?
one sticks.
Maybe the opposite side is binding and not.
Well, no, there
not
it goes.
coming
I
out
got
straight.
it. I got it. I just had to compress the. I had to compress them both.
Draw them in towards each other.
I thought I had it.
Woo.
No, I don't. I didn't have it, Captain.
You are the captain.
Oh fuck, we're lost. No, this has got to go up and in. This has got to sit right there.
And then comes
Yeah,
down.
compress it down. But there's a special tool for that, I bet.
No, I don't think so. Why, it's close.